Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2019 69 plate VW Golf GTI TCR. Now, if you've done any research on these cars, you'll know this is an absolutely fantastic performance orientated vehicle. TCR obviously standing for Touring Car Racing Edition. Lovely cars, bigger brake horsepower, better handling, better sound. They're a more performance orientated package overall. We're finished in pure white, which is one of the most desirable colours for these cars. You get a full exterior body kit as well, so the lovely splitters at the bottom of the front bumper, which is gloss black, on your side skirts, and then coming through to the back you get that lovely aggressive lower diffuser which sticks out at the sides. This one's got an aftermarket exhaust which was fitted by VW, and it sounds absolutely ace. So these are bigger brake horsepower, so the 280 brake horse. They've been lowered for better handling and performance, different dampeners, really a different beast. And obviously this is still the DSG box, one of the best gearboxes you can get in one of these. Silky smooth gear changes, and they look superb. So specification wise, LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera, headlamp wash. These TCRs come riding on these lovely 19-inch alloy wheels, 5 twin spokes finished in the sort of matte black to match the mirror caps, and all 4 wheels they're riding on Pirelli P0s. Condition wise, it's a lovely car. You can tell it's truly been cherished. It's a one lady owner from new. It's a full service history, first 2 being done at the main dealer and the last 2 being done at the specialists. Coming through inside then, lovely seats as well. So part Alcantara, part cloth, really supportive grippy seats, GTI embossed. You get the lovely detailing down the centres, looking at the bolster, looking at the seat base, they're in fantastic order. Looking then into the cabin, you get a leather multifunction steering wheel, red stitching all throughout the car. So on the wheel you've got your 12 o'clock marker on the steering wheel, you've even got some red detailing on the gear shifter as well. We'll jump inside in just a second. First of all, I'll show you the rear seats, which I'd probably say have never been used. They're in absolutely superb order. Isofix in the bottom for your child seats, 3 seat belts, comfortable seating for 3, central armrest with adjustable cup holders. You've got your load through as well. Obviously split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. You get this lovely little boot lip spoiler as well. In the back, parcel shelf is present. Space saver spur wheel, locking wheel nuts all in there as well. Lovely things to see. Normally all these newer cars come with tyre inflation kits, but a nice big boot. Even just looking at the plinth, the entryways, you can tell it's never seen any hard use. No bumper corner scuffs. Alloys are in nice order. No signs of any sort of dents or dings down the side of the car. Now jumping inside, we've got the tailored floor mats inside. We've got park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, child lock for the rear, automatic lights, multifunction wheel. On there is obviously cruise control, speed limiter. You've got your voice command, volume and media controls. You get the virtual cockpit on these cars, so you can get your sat nav directions on there. You've got navigation, audio, telephone, vehicle status. You've got a lap timer on here as well if you're ever looking to track the car, driving data, and your assisted systems. Flappy paddles, obviously allowing you to drive the car manually if you ever choose to do so. You've got your drive mode, sport mode, and you can also just go up and down the gearbox, either using the box itself or using the flappies. Coming through then to the center screen, you've got your radio there, so it's a full DAB, all the extended channels. Media, click through to source. We've got CD, SD card, Bluetooth, USB, and you've got your Wi-Fi there as well. Bluetooth phone connectivity, satellite navigation, you've got your apps, so full connectivity. You've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and MirrorLink, which obviously mimics whatever is on your phone onto the screen. Car information, and then you've got your main menu just for ease. So CarNet, Apps Connect, vehicle settings, air conditioning, that's all found up on there. Heated front seats, dual zone climate control, selectable driving modes. So you've got sport, you've got individual, eco, comfort. Individual, you can adjust the steering, the gearbox, the engine to your liking. Traction control, you've got your parking sensors as I mentioned before, so reversing camera which pops up like so, electric parking brake, auto hold, central armrest, quite a bit of storage within there. All the books which were supplied with the car from new are still with the car there today. We've got 2 keys with this vehicle, locking wheel nuts in the back. It's not been smoked in, it's not had any pets. You can tell it's a very nice example. So, if you'd like anything further on the car, if you've got a part exchange, we can give you a price over the phone. If you require finance, we can quote you on a PCP, we can quote you on a HP. But if there's anything further that you need, you can contact us on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.